welcome back to the Just Sawdust workshop. We are packing, and that's not as easy as you think it is. I've got 6 of these little crates full with my chisels, hand planes and files, and not all the hand planes would fit in, of course. The big ones don't fit in, but all the small ones. And that's already 6 of these cases full with just chisels, planes and files. And then I thought I'd put some paint in some of these bigger boxes, but when you put 30 of these in a box, you can't lift them anymore. There's a dog barking who wants to get in. Wait a bit. Oh, but you're not. Ah, you're wet. Hey. Are you wet? Be you so nuts? Oh, be you so. Oh, you're wet. You're completely wet. Oh. So, I bought these black boxes. They were only €5 each. They're really strange because they've got lids on them, but this way. These lids are laying inside of the box. A bit strange. There's a little lip in here. So I've never seen this before. But well. So I'm going to use these to put some paint in, because the big red boxes that I've got, which are 60 by 40, they just get too heavy when you fill them up with paint buckets. So that's much better. These red crates are just too big to put paint in. But this is usable. So I'll just go on, and there's lots more paint, and I've got all kinds of waxes and all that kind of stuff that needs to be packed up. And then all the other hand tools and the machines, but I think I'll have to make some space over here in the back, so I have to take my lathe away and my self-made, turning device that's made a few years ago. You can see that in the video where I made the table legs on it. But I'm going to take that thing apart so I can stack up a lot of the crates here. We'll see. I've got 12 of these big red crates. I've got now 6 of these, and then up there are another, I don't know, 20 crates with stuff. So and nothing is packed yet. Everything's still here, so we'll see how that goes. Well, I'm going to put all the little canisters, the pots, the plastic ones, the glazed ones, in just big shopping bags. That's the easiest way to carry them around. But I'm going on, and well, we'll see what we're going to do, and later on discuss, what I'm going to take with me and what not. But at least I'm going to take all the new paint cans, and then I'll just have to check the ones that are open, whether it's still good or not, what I can throw away and what not. That's it. with all my sanders and fill the box with files and things like that. I've got a box with the parts of the lathe and some other stuff. So now I'm going to see if I can take apart that thing I made to make the table legs. I'm not going to take that with me, but I need the space here so I can stack up all these boxes, because time is running out on us. Everything's going so fast with moving the workshop that I need to get on with packing everything. So this was vlog number 1 on a whole series of packing up the workshop, and could be interesting, could not be, but I'm keeping you posted, and see you in the next video, hopefully in a more packed workshop. But decision time comes to, you know, are we going to take particle board with us or just throw it away? I know I want to take all this kind of stuff with me. This is all oak, but maybe I should square them up first here on the table saw, so it's all nice square pieces, and then, you know, pack them in boxes or something, because this is what I can use for making the recycled box guitars or whatever. Could be soundboards or backings or whatever. So, and there's tons of this stuff. We'll see. But for now, if you have the time, do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend that time, and do some recycling. Even better way to spend that time. And see you all in the next video. Out the logo.